Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Vanquish H10 Optic Kit build series. In this part of the series, we're going to be building the shocks, and for that you'll need bag D. For the shocks, you'll need the following parts. Now these are all pieces that were cut off of plastic sprue. They give you 2 sprues here, and basically you cut off everything except for the pieces that you see still remaining on the sprue. For each shock, you'll need the following. You'll need 1 spring, 1 shock body, 1 shock shaft, this shock piston, this bleeder O-ring, these 2 E-clips. You'll need the shock cap, the spring retainer or adjuster, the bottom spring retainer. You'll need the bottom rod end, 1 standoff pivot ball and 1 regular pivot ball. You'll need this 1 M2.5 by 8 cap head screw and this 1 M2 by 4 cap head screw and 1 O-ring. Now I'm not going to build these shocks one by one. I'm going to do certain steps first. So one of the difficult parts of Vanquish kits are the spring adjusters on the shock body. So they're kind of hard to thread on, so you gotta be careful. I've got one on, and I'm just gonna do that step first. Alright, you can see I've got the spring retainers or purchase adjusters, whatever you call them, or shock collars, that's what they're called. You can see I've got the shock collars on each shock body mounted up. Just be careful when you do that you don't cross thread the shock collars. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the piston on each shock shaft. Alright, just to save you the trouble of looking at me struggle through putting E-clips on, I am going to make 4 of these and we'll be right back. Alright, the hard part is done. Getting those pistons on with those E-clips. So I've got those all on. And let's go ahead and use my favorite shock grease. This is Nolene SF3. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Not sure if you can still get it from eBay, but this is where I got it. It's basically green slime. Let's go ahead. Lubricate the shaft first. The bottom half comes pre-assembled. If you can take it apart and try to reassemble it if you want. I think I'm just gonna make sure I've got that Nolene SF3 grease in there and call it a day. So I'm gonna do it a couple times. Right, that's all greased up. Alright, so I'm going to be filling my shocks with 60 weight oil. I like my shocks slow and predictable. Alright, I'm going to fill these all up and we'll be right back. And that completes this part of this build, the shocks. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this Vanquish H10 Optic Kit build. Thanks for watching.